Hey everybody, it's Brian with Ocean's Atlantic Success Plan. Wanted to just show you this biz opportunity for CTFO. It's a CBD company selling CBD products, hemp grown CBD products, health for nutrition, anti-aging, pets, just anyway, the sign up's free, and when you do sign up as an associate, you get a free website just like this with all the products already on it, and that you can promote and sell, or you can actually even mark up the price because you get a discount for being an associate. So you get commissions off of the products you sell, and also you get commissions for anybody that you refer to become an associate also, which the compensation plan they have, you can actually go on and look at it or listen to the video, and it's pretty good compensation plan and commission plan that they have that you can get in on. Anyway, there's actually some 6-7 figure a month earners in this company just by promoting the company, without even selling the product. So anyway, it's CTFO, and like I said, it's got all the CBD products, and there's even some non-CBD products, and there's products for your pets, and all of it like CBD explained, right? You can go watch the video to understand about it, and the benefits of using it and all that. And like I said, once you sign up as an associate, you get this free website already put together for you with the products and everything. All you have to do is start promoting and making money. Anyway, if you're interested, just click the link below this and go sign up as an associate. Check it out, watch the videos, learn about it, because there's some real good benefits with the CBD products that, I actually take it for my neck because I wrecked on a motorcycle a long time ago, and my neck's been messed up ever since. So I actually take it to help with the pain and everything instead of the narcotics that are out there, and it's safe, addictive free. Anyway, like I said, this legit company. It's $1 billion industry, and there ain't no gimmicks or nothing. You get paid every weekly commissions for, like I said, any products you sell, or for however many people you promote to the company. Like I said, just click the link, check it out. If it's for you, join it. Like I said, there's some real high up there 6 and 7 figure a month earners already in the company, so you can definitely make money with it. Anyway, everybody have a good night, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ocean's Atlantic Success Plan Product Reviews. This is Brian. Have a good one.